Mull Over, Unpacked, Unraveling English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, mull over. This idiom pops up in English conversations quite often, and understanding it can help you appreciate the nuances of the language. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just want to polish your English skills, knowing these expressions will definitely give you an edge. So, let's dive in and mull over the meaning of mull over. The phrase, mull over, means to think about something deeply and at length. When someone says they need to mull over an idea or a decision, they're indicating that they want to take their time to consider all aspects before coming to a conclusion. It's a thoughtful process, often used in situations where careful deliberation is necessary. Imagine you're faced with a big decision, like choosing a new job or buying a house. These aren't decisions you make impulsively. Instead, you mull over the pros and cons, you discuss it with friends or family, and you take the time to sleep on it. That's mulling over in action. Have you ever wondered where such phrases come from? Well, mull over has an interesting origin story. Some say it comes from the old practice of mulling wine, which means to heat and spice it. This process takes time and care, much like the process of pondering a problem or idea. When you mull wine, you transform it into something more flavorful and enjoyable. Similarly, when you mull over something in your mind, you're looking to arrive at a richer, more well-rounded understanding of it. To help you grasp how to use mull over, let's look at some examples. I need to mull over this job offer before I make a decision. He's been mulling over the idea of going back to school for months now. Let's mull over our vacation plans and decide which destination works best for everyone. Noticing a pattern? It's often about decisions or plans that bear significant weight. Now that we know what mull over means, here are a few tips for using it correctly. Use it when referring to a process that requires time and thought. It's generally used in more formal or serious contexts. Avoid using mull over for quick, simple decisions. That would be like using a sword to cut through a silk thread. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, mull over, and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about getting to grips with these expressions that give color and depth to our conversations. So take your time, mull over what you've learned today, and practice when you can. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.